Hey everyone, this is urtechduck. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set subscription pricing for your Whop product. First, click on the dashboard icon on the left sidebar. Then, in the new left sidebar, click on your Whops and choose your store or product. At the top, you'll see a 3 dots icon. Click on it, then select Manage Pricing. A new box will appear. If this is your first time setting up pricing on Whop, click on the Create Pricing option button. Select your pricing type, and if you want to set up a monthly subscription, choose Recurring. Next, enter the subscription price, select your currency, set the billing period, and optionally add an initial fee. Once everything is filled in, click Create. That's it, your subscription is now set. Check out our other Whop videos if you'd like to learn how to publish more content, set up payments, and enhance your store's design. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to urtechduck for more fast and easy tutorials.